At Moen, our goal is to make every installation fast, easy, and intuitive. That's why we improved the mounting system for our single-handle, single-hole lavatory faucets. This new mounting system has fewer parts, and we've made them even more robust to provide the quality and durability you expect from Moen. Now it takes only 4 steps to install any Moen Single-Handle Single-Hole lavatory faucet. Step 1. Preparation. The product box includes everything you need, except for safety glasses. Before getting started, shut off the hot and cold water inlets to the lavatory faucet. Step 2. Insert the hoses and threaded rod into the mounting hole on the deck. Step 3. Install the mounting bracket and sleeve. We've enhanced the overall design of the mounting bracket. It's a stainless steel plate with an integrated elastomer gasket. The gasket conforms to any underdeck surface and grips the threaded rod. Under the deck, slide the mounting bracket gasket side up onto the threaded rod. The faucet will stand up on its own, freeing up your hands. For added flexibility, the mounting sleeve will accommodate a thick or thin deck. Use the larger end for a thick deck. Reverse it for a thin deck. Depending on deck thickness, thread the proper end of the mounting sleeve onto the rod. Above deck, make sure the faucet is properly aligned. Then tighten the sleeve with the mounting tool. Notice the enhanced textured or ribbed surface pattern on the mounting tool. This makes it easier to grip. The last step is connecting the supply lines and checking for leaks. Below the deck, connect the hot and cold supply lines. Turn the water on and check for any leaks. We put a lot of thought into the design of our new global mounting system, so installing Moen Single-Handle Single-Hole lavatory faucets is faster, easier, and more intuitive than ever. For more information, please refer to your printed instruction sheets, visit moen.com, or call 1-800-BUY-MOEN.